Hi
Hi
guys.
guys,
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
What's up, Archit?
what's up?
Us.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. So start करें meeting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
So what's on the agenda for today?
So today we are here to discuss and to basically convey to people, our audience, about our initiatives, basically our academic initiatives, our social media initiatives, and the events, the great events we have had in the recent past.
Yeah. But what is there to make them aware of? Like our audience knows and our initiatives very well, and our social media reach that also manifested very well, I think.
Shares a point.
Yeah, our audience know us, but they know us as a CA society, and I think now we should expand our reach. Don't you think so?
Yes, Sanjana, we can expand our society into various other professional courses as well. And for that, we can start a lot of new initiatives.
Yeah, like the various events we have had in the recent past.
Like our speaker session, Epiphany. What an amazing lineup of speakers we had.
Yeah. Right, Archit. We hosted the partners of Bitforce and other big CA firms like PwC, Deloitte, and BDO, and the event was really well taken. And we witnessed a footfall of around 300 students, I think, in the last 2 years.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah, it has been an incredible knowledge and development session. I mean, people also get the chance to interact with those professionals, right?
Not denying the fact that Epiphany was a very great speaker session, but Synergy still holds the peak of our annual plan if we look at it, right? Talking about the immense success that we have got in last couple of years, having 1,200 students on campus on the day of event, and in last couple of years, just speaks of the volume of how good the event was.
Yeah, and not only the footfall we have had, but also the astounding line of speakers we had. It was
Absolutely. We had eminent corporate personalities and great entrepreneurs.
Yeah, and comedian Gupta ji, how can we forget him?
True.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
Apart from that, I mean, the faculties as well, you have to give them some credit for that, right? Talking about Neeraj sir, Vijender sir, or Ashish sir, I mean, all of them were so stoppers of this.
also we have had more than 50 collaborations, I guess, in the past 2 years.
Yeah.
It's
And then
great.
adding to that, we had 25 lakh plus online and offline reach. I mean, that was huge.
Exactly.
True.
Yeah. And what about Apocalypse, our annual game theory based competition event? An event that requires you to hold all your business acumen, trading, negotiation skills, and bidding, which is everyone's favorite, like to ace the competitive adversity. Yeah.
True that. I mean, it started from just one event. Now it has gone into two sub events in itself, right? I mean, people really got improved there, right? We've had over 250 registrations in the past couple of years, I guess, right?
And not only do we organize events like any other society, but we also provide excellent academic material for various professional courses.
Yeah, right, Archit. We already did so many things in our academic initiatives. Like for CA Foundation and intermediate students, we provided summary notes and summary charts for quick revision, which were really helpful.
Yeah, and don't forget our team's effort in compiling those mock test papers and the MCQ boosters we posted on our Instagram handle. They were of great help.
And talking about our very recent initiative, the past question bank.
Yeah, all our academic initiatives have been appreciated really well, guys. And those mentorship groups and guidance sessions, those really help the students to address the problems and the doubts they face when they appear for exam. That was really helpful.
Right, and also the budget session we conducted this year, it was taken up by Mr. Kashif Ansari sir. So it was great to understand such details and minor details of budget as well.
Also, the post-result discussions we had that really help the students to address their comprehensions and doubts, which we all face when we pass out of school.
True that. I mean, these were our academic initiatives to talk about in hindsight, right? But there are other initiatives that we also take, right, apart from the academic ones, which basically help us to cater to followers, our subscriber base, right? So talking about our first social media initiative, I guess Finsight, right? So earlier we used to talk about the financial terms. Now there is a major revamp in this. The format has completely changed right now. So now we bring in the case studies as well as the quiz.
Adding to that, we also are going to start a revamped version of Senior Speak. For that, we have something new in the back. You'll find it yourself in the near future.
Also, case studying and the Under the Scanner series, it gives in-depth knowledge of the current topics in the industry, and we share financial and economic news in the very simple manner.
Yeah, and our A Peek Into series where we give the reviews of business books. That was well.
Yeah, and because of these social media initiatives, we have now around about, I guess, 20,000 plus media audience to cater to.
Yeah.
So it's great starting society.
Yes, and we've also added a new PR department in our society for conducting webinars.
Right. So now the biggest question that people might have is, where do they go about to see the webinars, right?
So we are officially announcing the going on of our YouTube channel.
Right.
Where you all can watch the recorded versions of our webinars, where the corporate leaders and eminent personalities share about their life, their success, how they cope up with their failures, and just about everything.
Right. And I guess there would be a lot of more in store for you guys when you subscribe to the channel. So stay tuned.
So we are good to go, guys.
Right. Bye.